So we got some sunshine and some nice weather. So good news.
No plan.
Yeah, we got
Kinda walking.
Yeah, we got no plan. We just want to enjoy the sun. So we're just gonna go for a stroll, and that's all the plans for now.
We'll see where it takes us.
Yeah. Good job.
Stumbled into the museum quarter here, which is extremely beautiful. There's just museums everywhere. And then this is the Hofburg.
The what?
This is the Hofburg Palace. Yeah, this whole area is like just incredibly beautiful. It's just museum after museum.
Yeah, it's stunning. You just want to stand and look around and take pictures. That's kind of all we've been doing. So. Besides dancing in a random impromptu dance party.
I hear more drums out that way.
Yeah, maybe we'll check it out.
Very happening place right now.
So we stumbled on like some kind of protest or
political rally type thing.
Yeah, we're not sure what's going on here, but we've seen the word Nazi a few times on some signs, and
yeah, we're not too interested in that side of things, so I think we'll just keep moving.
Yeah, we'll carry on. Winston is very concerned about that trash there and how it's such a big mess. I know, it's a big mess. He's trying to clean up this trash. I think someone else will clean it up, okay? Yeah, I know. It's a big mess. Here, come.
Yeah, so some of that political stuff was going on, seemed to get pretty intense pretty quickly, so we kind of just booked it out of there. I think we'll slowly start heading back. I think a lot of the stuff that we've seen today has actually been political. I've seen some stickers and signs throughout this kind of whole area, so we're just here for the sights. Yeah, it was a nice afternoon. I think we will start slowly heading back and see if we can find some supper maybe on the way.
Did you pick a flower for Mom? Aww, that's nice, buddy.
That is my favorite. Thanks, bud. So we're kind of in the heart of the museum quarter right now. That's a museum. That's a museum. That's a museum. That's a museum.
Leopold Museum.
I want to go to them all, and I can't do that, and it bothers me. There's so much to learn, so little time. Just finishing up our day at, you know,
This local Viennese
little
restaurant.
local place. We're trying to figure out why it is in Europe that you have to pay for ketchup. This little guy is 75 euro?
No, 50 euro. Or 50 cents.
50, half a euro. But in Canada, you can just load up and take as many as you want. Better enjoy that ketchup, buddy.
Time to go. I hate to leave you, but I really must say goodnight, sweetheart. Good night. Now your mother and your father might hear it, but they had to lie.